ATTSU, Excellence in Industrial Boilers.
Welcome to ATTSU. Okay, before we actually head out onto the production floor, we're going to run through a super quick safety orientation. If you've literally never stepped foot inside an industrial plant before, hey, don't worry about it. This quick guide gives you the absolute essentials you need to keep safe today. Let's dive right in. You see, ATTSU specializes in heavy metal fabrication. It's an incredibly impressive process where raw metal is transformed right before your eyes. But, you know, doing things on this massive scale definitely comes with some inherent dangers. We're talking about electrical welding, plasma cutting, and massive bridge cranes. This means we are constantly navigating flying sparks, really high noise levels, and heavy suspended loads. So, to safely navigate all of those risks, you're going to need your armor. And by armor, I mean your personal protective equipment, or PPE. Your safety helmet, protective glasses, a high-visibility vest, and reinforced footwear are completely mandatory, no exceptions. And once you put these 4 items on, do not take them off until you've completely left the facility. Now, safety on the floor really just comes down to one main thing: focus. You absolutely must use only the marked, designated pedestrian paths. Honestly, getting distracted by your mobile phone or wandering off the path and ending up underneath suspended crane loads, those are the 2 absolute biggest threats to your safety here. Just keep your head up and stay alert. To make things super easy to remember, we've kind of boiled our extensive safety guidelines down into 4 basic rules for our visitors. Rule number 1, always stay with your ATTSU host. 2, circulate only on those marked paths we just talked about. 3, keep a safe distance and never, ever touch the machines or materials. And 4, keep that phone put away while you're walking. Master this simple rule of 4, and you're good to go. Now, while actual emergencies are really rare here, being prepared is just a huge part of our culture. So what should you do if an alarm suddenly sounds during your visit? Well, surprisingly, the answer depends entirely on which alarm you're hearing. Okay, so if you hear the standard internal alarm, you just stop your visit, stay perfectly calm, and walk to the assembly point right by the production doors. Pretty straightforward, right? But because ATTSU is actually surrounded by chemical plants, we also have an external chemical siren. If you hear this specific siren, you need to do the exact opposite of a standard fire drill. You stay indoors, you take shelter with your host, and whatever you do, do not try to leave the premises. All right, finally, right before you enter the floor, you're going to sign an access document committing to these established rules. By signing it, you are making a personal commitment to your own safety and, for sure, the safety of every single worker around you. Because honestly, in environments where just a single misstep can have massive consequences, isn't shared vigilance our absolute most powerful tool? So, go ahead, grab your helmet, sign your document, and let's safely experience the world of metal fabrication.
ATTSU, Excellence in Industrial Boilers.